Diolch yn fawr I chi am eich gwaith caled eleni. This year, like the last, brought considerable challenges for our learners, their families, and everyone working in education and training. In my annual report, I've reflected on how providers in Wales rose to these challenges. Teachers, trainers, support staff and leaders continually adapted their practice, being flexible, creative and innovative. They maintained a strong focus on learners, supporting their education and well-being needs, and they supported each other through difficult times. Everyone working in education and training was forced to do things differently. Resilience and professionalism shone through despite setbacks. As we forge ahead with the education reform across all sectors, this determined mindset and energy will be vital. We've worked with providers to capture their flexible and creative approaches and publish a range of insights and cameos. In my annual report, you'll find some of the collective learning that took place across all sectors of education and training. I encourage you to use these insights to continue to build on the positive progress in your own provider. My thanks to each and every one of you for your dedication to supporting learners of all ages in Wales. Mae wedi parhau I fod yn gyfnod heriol, ac rwy'n ddiolchgar iawn I chi gyd. Take care and stay safe.